As an estate agent in Byron Bay, we're fortunate every now and then to offer some really remarkable properties. Welcome to the northern end of Alcorn Street at Beachside, Suffolk Park. Located just across the street from the magnificent Tallow Beach, this Moroccan-style abode offers luxury beachside living with complete privacy and an amazing bush outlook. Meticulously presented with no expense spared, this is the kind of home you could retire to or just enjoy as a fantastic holiday retreat. Get ready to be pleasantly surprised, and we look forward to seeing you at one of the open homes.